Hi everyone. In this video, I would like to discuss about one of the important plugins that a lot of people use to automate tasks in templates. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on settings here. On the left hand side of the screen, you have core plugins and community plugins. So this particular plugin is a community plugin. It's a third party plugin or software. I'm going to click on community plugins here and you can click on browse to look for that particular plugin. So the name of this particular plugin is called Templater. Okay, Templater. So this is the plugin that I was looking for, and 1581659 users have already downloaded and used this plugin, and this was updated 7 days ago. So this particular plugin or this particular community is active, and you can also read the details about this particular plugin. It says create and use templates. So I'm going to simply click on it. Okay. Now, as I said before installing any plugin, it is very good to read all the details, details slowly. And if you like the plugin, you can go ahead and install the plugin. So these are all the details. It says Templater is a template plugin for Obsidian. It defines a templating language that lets you insert variables and functions results in your nodes. So if you want to insert variables and functions, you can use it. It will also let you execute JavaScript code manipulating those variables and functions. So these are all the details about this particular plugin. Now let's go and install this plugin. So it says installing plugin templater here. Okay, seems like the plugin has been installed successfully. Now let's enable the plugin. Now let's close it. Let's close it. So like I said before, after installing any software or plugin, it is good to close the Obsidian and restart it. Okay, and restart it. So now I'm going to restart Obsidian. It says loading plugins, loading cache. Now let's look for our plugin. So I'm going to click on settings again. And if you see here, you see the new plugin called Templater. I'm going to click on it. So these are all the settings. These are all the settings for your particular Templater plugin. So it says internal variables and functions, syntax highlighting on desktop, syntax highlighting on mobile, automatic jump to cursor. So there are so many features. There are so many things that you can do within Templater plugin. So it says select one of the folders. It says select one of the folders. What I'm going to do is I'm going to select professional notes. Okay, so this is the location where my template information will be saved. Okay, now I'm going to simply close this. I'm going to simply close this. So we have installed templater plugin successfully. That is why it is showing templater here. Now what we are going to do is we are going to create a special template. Okay, let's go to professional notes. It's a location where we are saving the templates, and this is the subfolder called templates, and we have two templates already created. The first one is daily note template and the second one is meeting notes template. Okay, now what I'm going to do is if you go to this document, it says create a basic template with dynamic content. So with the help of templater plugin, with the help of templater plugin that we have just installed, this template will automatically insert the current date and link to yesterday's and tomorrow's notes. Okay, so we are going to see all these details. We are going to see all the details in the notes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply copy it. Okay, I'm going to simply Okay, I have copied this. Now I will go back to the daily notes template. Okay, so this is the daily notes template. Now I'm going to paste it here. I'm going to paste it here. So it is added. It is added to the daily notes template. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to the meeting notes template as well. I'm going to the meeting notes template as well, and I wish to add some dynamic content. I would like to add both these all these details. I would like to add all these details. Now I'm going back to Obsidian again, and I'm going to add these details as well under meeting notes template. Okay, so I'm going to simply paste it here. So if you see now, it is showing different colors on the screen. So now we have added information to daily note template with all these details, and we have also added some information to meeting notes template. Now what we are going to do is let's go to templater plugin now. Let's go to templater plugin that we have just installed. Now if you see both the templates. The first one is daily note template and the second one is meeting notes template. Now, if you select on this daily note template or meeting notes template, it should populate the new information. Okay, it should populate the new information. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select meeting notes template. So if you see meeting notes template now, it is clearly showing all the details that we have added to the meeting notes template. See, these are all the special characters that we have added. This wouldn't be possible. This wouldn't be possible if we have not installed templater plugin. So some industries, some professionals like project managers or some professions need these kind of variables in their notes, in their templates. So for these professionals, they can use these details. Now let's go back to the templater plugin. So basically the templater plugin in Obsidian allows you to supercharge your templates with dynamic content and powerful automation. So you need not worry about it. If this particular plugin is not required for you, then you don't have to worry about it. But this is for the professionals who require it, maybe for software developers or project managers, or it could be somebody else. If they need this templater plugin, they can use the variables to automate more content. So after installing the templater plugin, they can use certain variables. So if you go back, so these are the variables. These are the variables that they can use to automate more content. You can create templates with placeholders, variables that ask for user input when triggered. This is useful for meetings, research, or other structured notes. So some professionals need these kind of details while creating notes. So they can automate this process by installing templater plugin and by adding these details in their daily notes. So if it is not needed for you, you need not consider it. But I just wanted to share this information in this course so that if you are a professional who needs these kind of details, you can also do some advanced stuff. All right. I really hope you find this information helpful. Thank you very much for watching. I will catch you in the next video. Bye bye.